And it gives you a little calendar where you can reserve your time, get us your information about like your model number, what the problem is that you have going on, etc. And then when we come to the time of the appointment, we send you out a link that you can pull up right in your phone, no app required, and you just click a couple buttons to give it permissions, and that lets our technician see what's going on in your fridge. Yep, looks like it's underfilled. That's got to be the reason it's not cooling properly. We can also do neat things in here, like gesture, point, show you documents, or parts or whatever it makes sense. We can snap pictures of the model tag. Yeah, it's a real handy thing. And $49 plus tax. And then you have 30 days. If you're in our service area, we'll apply that toward an in-home visit. So, say you just want to get an opinion on what's going on, or you want to get a price estimate for a cosmetic repair. We can start with the virtual visit and then roll it into the in-home repair and credit you that $49. So, yeah, check it out.